Welcome to homeloangermany.de channel. Today I would like to introduce to you a very useful tool to check the location of the property that you are searching for or you are living in. This website is called Wohnlagekarte.de. As you see, there's different colors of the property location. The very dark one is the top location. Very yellow one, lightest color, is the simple location. And you can also see different use of the lands. We take Munich as an example. We check about Munich. As you can imagine, the inner city of Munich has the best location. It's very dark red. And the green land is kind of natural or reserved for land use. You can see all the inner city is very red. There are orange color for residential living land. We can see more of the use of the land. For example, agriculture, sand area, green lawn and wetland, park facilities, graveyard, green and special cultivation area, forest, water, retail. That means the land is for brick and mortar. Gewerbe, it means commercial, industrial, public, or agricultural settlement area, garage, parking lot. So we can check based on the color which location is favorable in your area. We could check, for example, what's the best location near Munich City. We can go to the southern area. As you see, we can see Wolfratshausen or Starnberg Lake area is also quite popular among commuters. You can see along the lake because this landowner, they barely sell their property. It makes the price really high. All along the Starnberg living residential area near the lake. I would like to point it out, there is also commute satellite cities who are now gaining more popularity. It is Weilheim in Oberbayern, as you see in this area, or even we go up. It's called Gilching. Gilching is a very small town to the west of Munich. Many expats living in this area because there are lots of small tech startups in this area. It's near a small lake and it's near green. When we check different places all around Munich, you can see Germering, Greifswald, Planegg, it's biotech cluster there. We can go north of Munich, as you know, Garching, because the famous TMU University, many students study there, researchers, and many small companies set up their offices for tech research. And you can see all of this university area is really dark red. So what to look when you want to live close to the university? You can go to the labor ward like Dietersheim. Based on a reference project of my customer, the land, part of the Dietersheim land is converted to the living residential area and it becomes more and more red. As you see, it's profited from Garching. So as you see who provide the data of this website, we can go to the track to the imprint page. It's from the company IIB Institute. Based on their website, they say they're providing independent location data even for the banks and for really professional real estate appraisal. So the method they are using, it's like they say we are data analyze technology and independent. As you see, this tool is really powerful. It can give you a transparent overview. What's the location in which neighborhood could be very interesting. So remember to use this link. If you find your data in the specified area is not that correct, you can also provide the clarification data to their website to help in the long run that your property will be more regulated by their system. I hope you enjoy my explanation to this tour, and if you have more questions or you want to know more about real estate market or buying a home in Germany or how to verify your loan possibility in Germany, I would like to help you. And as short information about me, I'm a financial advisor who specializes in mortgage loan advising and real estate investment. So let's discuss together the market trends in the next episode. Thank you.